Okay students, now let's solve question number 3 of page number 194. Please look at your textbook, page number 194, question number 3. Prove that tan theta by 1 minus cos theta plus cot theta by 1 minus tan theta equal to 1 plus sec theta into cosec theta. In the question they have given a hint in the textbook. Express tan and cot in terms of sin and cos. But for the exam, in the question paper, there will be no hints will be given. Okay, so please note down, no hints will be given for the exam, so that you have to practice all this by yourself as many times as possible. Okay, so here in the question, when we take and write answer LHS, it is given that tan theta by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta by 1 minus tan theta. We have to prove that this is equal to 1 plus sec theta into cosec theta. Okay, as in the previous question we discussed, tan and cot we can express in terms of sine and cos, isn't it? Tan theta, that is what? Sine theta by cos theta. And similarly cot theta, cot is inverse of tan, isn't it? So inverse of this, that is cos theta by sine theta. This function we will substitute over here. Okay, so that is equal to tan, that is what? Sine theta by cos theta by 1 minus cot, that is equal to 1 minus, instead of cot we will substitute cos theta by sine theta. Okay students, plus cot, again we can substitute cot is cos theta by sine theta by 1 minus tan, that is what? Sine minus cot, isn't it? Sine minus cos, that is sine theta by minus by cos theta. Hope it is clear. Now here in the denominator we will just do the cross multiplication. Numerator we can write as it is, sine theta by cos theta by, doing the cross multiplication here, sine into 1, that is what? Sine theta minus cos theta by sine theta, plus numerator we will again write here as it is, that is what? Cos theta by sine theta by, doing the cross multiplication here, cos into 1, that is what? Cos theta minus sine theta by cos theta. Okay students, now when we look at here, we can see a fraction by another fraction, isn't it? A fraction by another fraction. We have already discussed this, a by b by c by d. When it comes like this, how can we reduce this? That is a by b into reciprocal of the denominator fraction, isn't it? That is d by c, isn't it students? So if we get a fraction like this, a fraction by another fraction, we'll take first fraction multiplied by reciprocal of the second fraction. So that we are going to apply over here. So this will become first fraction, that is sine theta by cos theta into reciprocal of the denominator. What is that? That is sine theta by sine theta minus cos theta, plus same we will apply over here, that is cos theta by sine theta into reciprocal of the denominator, that is what? Cos theta by cos theta minus sine theta. Hope it is clear. Okay, here we can put a bracket. Okay students, now sine theta into sine theta, what is that? That is equal to sine square theta, isn't it? By cos theta into sine minus cos theta into sine theta minus cos theta, isn't it? Plus here we have cos theta into cos theta, that is cos square theta by sine theta into cos theta minus sine theta, isn't it? Sine theta into cos theta minus sine theta. Okay, students. Now, when we look at the denominator, we can see two brackets are there, isn't it? The first bracket it is sin theta minus cos theta, whereas in the second bracket it is cos theta minus sin theta. Okay, sin theta minus cos theta, and in the second bracket it is cos theta minus sin theta. So to make it both the brackets same, which will be helpful for us in the next steps. So for that, what we'll do is from the second bracket cos theta minus sin theta, we will take a minus outside. Okay, here it is sin theta minus cos theta, whereas in the second bracket it is cos minus sin. To make it sin minus cos, what we'll do, from this bracket we'll take a minus sign outside. That is, from cos theta minus sin theta, we'll take minus outside the bracket. So this will become sin theta minus cos theta. Okay, hope it is clear. So when we take this minus outside, that minus will lie over here. So this we can write as it is sin square theta by cos theta of sin theta minus cos theta. We'll take minus outside, isn't it? So that minus will lie over here. Okay, so this plus will become minus cos square theta by sin theta of cos minus sin will become sin theta minus cos theta. Okay, students, that is equal to. Now we will do the cross multiplication. Sin theta into sin theta. Okay, here since both the brackets are same, we will not multiply this with the numerator. Okay, we have two brackets here, both which are same, sin theta minus cos theta. Here also it is sin theta minus cos theta. So these brackets we will not multiply with the numerator terms. Okay, now cross multiplying here with these terms, sin theta into sin square theta, that is sin cube theta. Okay, sin square theta into sin theta, it is sin cube theta minus cos square theta into cos theta, that is what, cos cube theta, by this term we will write, this bracket will write only one time, that is sin theta minus cos theta, and we have cos theta into sin theta here, cos theta into sin theta. Hope it is clear. That is equal to, now students, here sin cube theta minus cos cube theta, just recollect the identity which you have learned in grade 9th chapter polynomial. We have already studied a cube minus b cube. What is that? A cube minus b cube. Do you remember? What is a cube minus b cube? That is a minus b into a square plus b square plus ab. Isn't it, students? Please take it. Note down that identity that we have to apply over here. Okay, a cube minus b cube, it is a minus b into a square plus b square plus ab. The same way here, instead of a cube minus b cube, we have sin cube minus cos cube. What is sin cube minus cos cube? Applying that identity, we can write sin minus cos, a minus b, isn't it? That is sin minus cos theta into a square, that is sin square theta, plus b square, that is cos square theta, plus ab, that is sin theta cos theta. Hope it is clear. Okay, by cos theta into sin theta of sin theta minus cos theta. Okay, students, now can I rub this? Now students, next step, here we have sin theta minus cos theta. In the denominator also we have the same bracket here, sin theta minus cos theta, isn't it? Can we cut both this, sin theta minus cos theta? Okay, so the remaining terms when we are taking and writing, we have sin square theta plus cos square theta. What is that? Sin square theta plus cos square theta, that is 1, isn't it? Plus sin theta cos theta, sin theta into cos theta by cos theta into sin theta. Okay, students. Now we reached the last step. We will just split this into two terms. Okay, that is 1 plus sin theta cos theta by cos theta sin theta. It is 1 by cos theta sin theta plus sin theta cos theta by cos theta sin theta. Okay, this we can cancel. How we split this? Is there any doubt? See, just I will give you an example. 2x plus 3 by 5. We can split this into two terms, isn't it? That is 2x by 5 plus 3 by 5. That's how we splitted this step into this. Okay, this terms to this we split it, and we could cancel both the terms. Now we could get 1 by cos theta into sin theta plus cancelling here we'll get 1. Okay, so that is equal to what we need to find finally? Prove that this is equal to 1 plus sec theta cosec theta. Here in the denominator we have cos and sec, cos and sin. We know cos, it is inverse of sec, isn't it? And sin, it is inverse of cosec plus 1, isn't it? Cos theta, 1 by cos theta, we can rewrite it as what? Sec theta. And 1 by sin theta, we can write it as cosec theta, since they are the inverse functions of sin and cos. Okay, so plus 1, that is what? The required RHS. Okay, so finally, hence proved that LHS equal to RH. Yes, hope it is clear. Please take it to your notebook, students. Thank you.